Also, a court hearing over redaction failures in the Epstein files has now been cancelled. Lawyers for survivors had asked the court to intervene because the files contained some victims' images and their names. Meanwhile, President Trump is calling for the country to move on.
I think it's really time for the country to get onto something else, really. Now that nothing came out about me, other than it was a conspiracy against me, literally, by Epstein and other people. But I think it's time now for the country to maybe get onto something else.
CBS News legal reporter Katrina Kaufman is here with us in studio with more on this. Katrina, good morning. We were all shocked on Friday when we saw how much was not redacted in these files. So why was today's court hearing cancelled?
Errol, the judge says that the parties have managed to deal with this privately, all of these privacy issues. And yesterday there was a letter that really potentially foreshadowed this. It was from the survivor's attorney, and they gave DOJ a couple options. They asked them to get all these redactions done by noon today or take down the files. And if they did that, they said we wouldn't need a hearing. Now, we don't know what the exact terms are that they came to, but it's been said that they had extensive and constructive discussions, that they now feel confident that the DOJ is going to remedy this, that further harm will not happen. But it's still important to remember, Errol, we've been talking about this for days. These survivors have been re-traumatized, re-victimized. They've had their names put out there, some who were Jane Doe's, addresses, birthdays, licenses, banking information. So a lot of harm has already been done here, but for now, some victory for these survivors. And
can you just, as you did there, remind us more of what was unredacted, because it was also images and video?
That's right. Also nude photos of women. The New York Times found at least 40 images. We don't know if they were of minors, and DOJ did take care of that quickly, but we have to remember they took all this extra time to redact these documents, and yet there were still such significant and grave deficiencies here that caused further harm to survivors who have already suffered so much.
Yeah, your hearts go out to all of these survivors. Katrina, thank you very much.
Thank you.